Hello dear! Addition and subtraction of scientific notation naman tayo. Kung titignan mo itong example, parang ang hirap-hirap, di ba? First thing to do is to check the exponent. If they have the same exponent, you can simply add the scientific notation. After checking if they have the same exponent, all you have to do is to add the coefficient. 5.8 plus 2.1. In ating decimals, all you have to do is to align their decimal point. So we have 5.8 plus 2.1. So that is 7.9. So after adding the coefficient, all you have to do is to copy this one. So we have 7.9 times 10 raised to the power of 3. What if kung magkaiba ang kanilang exponent? Remember, you can simply add or subtract scientific notation if they have the same exponent. So I suggest kapag ka magkaiba sila ng exponent, gagayahin mo yung may pinakamalaking exponent. If you will move the decimal point to the left, the exponent increases. And if you move the decimal point to the right, the exponent decreases. So all you have to do is to move the decimal point to the left. Pagka nag-add ng 1 ka dyan, 1 step to the left. So that is 0.18 times 10 raised to the power of 4. Since they already have the same exponent, you can simply add the scientific notation. We have 0.18 plus 2.1. So we have 8, 2, 2. So that is 2.28 times 10 raised to the power of 4.